Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to turn off auto brightness in Windows 11. First method is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. Click and expand display. Turn off setting under Enable Adaptive Brightness, click OK. Second method is click Start, Settings. Click Display. Uncheck Help Improve Battery by optimizing the controls shown and brightness. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.